Hello! I see you have just received your ISC Home Kit. Allow me to walk you through how to use it. It's easy. Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly and clean your skin using a pH-neutral cleanser. Pat dry your skin with a clean cloth. Be sure your skin isn't too irritated, sensitive, or dry before going on to the next steps. Step 2. Open your vial or ampule following the protocols that came with your ISC kit. If your kit came with vials, simply remove the tops for the amount needed. If your kit came with ampules, use an alcohol swab, gauze, or an ampule opener. Remember to hold the bottom of the ampule firmly while snapping the top away from yourself with light, even pressure. Step 3. Using the pipette in the kit or a needleless syringe, transfer the recommended amount of your serums to the open Derme Infuseur vial. Step 4. Reattach the top of your Derme Infuseur. If you're using a vial, reattach the top at this moment as well. If you purchase the Derme Infuseur stamp, gently press it onto the skin with mild, even pressure. If you purchase the Derme Infuseur roller, lightly roll it back and forth 2 or 3 times on the desired area. In both cases, make sure the content of the vial is being dispersed evenly onto the skin. Never force either type of Derme Infuseur into the skin. Step 5. Apply your home care cream morning, night, or both depending on the instruction provided on the cream's label. Step 6. Enjoy your results. You are now on your way to achieving your best skin. Please remember to read your Derme Infuseur user manual while using your kit. We at International Skincare thank you for letting us be part of your better skin journey.